Hello, you might be wondering why I haven't posted in so long, cause this thing, it failed on me. It broke on me. It betrayed me. So what I'm going to do is build a computer, and you all know that I have a obsession with computers, so I'm actually going to build one today. I'm going to explain the parts a little bit. No, I'm not going to explain the parts a little bit. It's going to take ages and I had to cut that whole thing out. Except here, okay, hold up. Here is the list of the parts I'm using, and yeah, I saved you time. You're welcome. And I'm going to be building in this today.
Boy, if you don't get...
You can see me over here, and also a field of view POV. This is the motherboard I'm using, B0450 Aeros Elite. I actually gave this to Centacom so they can BIOS update it for me. And now I'm here. This is the processor. So this is the motherboard. Okay, there is a wire here. A sticker, that's handy, and a warranty card. I'm gonna actually put this all back. Here it is. This is the motherboard. Okay, time to put the processor in. Here it is. There it is. And one thing I do not understand about AMD is they use such a big box, and yet this is the actual thing that we need. This is the sticker. We're gonna put that on our case over there. I'm gonna bend the pins. Here is the brains. Damn! On the computer. I was also told that when I have to put it in, I have to align it with a triangle. Be careful not to touch the pins. Here's the triangle right there. And there's the other one. So the logo is sideways, but that doesn't matter. It's in.
That's what she said.
And put the thing down. And the processor is in. Okay. We're gonna put the RAM in as well. Oh, okay. Get out. Okay. I'll double check later. Okay, RAM is in. That's great. We actually don't have an NVMe drive. We're actually gonna use a SATA SSD. This I'm gonna be using Master Liquid, water cooler. Yep, and AIO. Oh, okay. Here is the cooler. Jeez, this is really good packed. And this is the nails. Anything else? No, that's it. First of all, taking all the wrappers off. Focus on. Oh, I forgot. Okay, I forgot the screwdriver. I'll be back.
2,000 years later.
Okay, I'm back. I got me trusty screwdriver. This is the storage, and so here it is, MX5. Oh, so it makes 2 into 1. Gotcha. This is RGB, I think. This is Molex. Wow, there's a lot of stuff in here. A lot of stuff in here I do not understand. Okay, yeah, this is the manual. Okay, this is a thick boy. You have a lot of okay, first we need to screw in the fans. What are the screws for that though? Excuse me, did you tell me what screws to use? Oh, these big fat ones, big chunky boys, okay. Yeah, sure not to do it too tight.
Hello.
So that's my brother, you probably know him already.
What are you doing?
I am actually... Hanji? And we're back. I just switched this around so both of the wires are in the same side. So now we just put this onto a motherboard. Okay, I had a quick look at the menu. I said menu again. Wow. Okay, good on me. So it's saying these two things. These two things are supposed to go in this thing, which makes it go in this thing, which makes that cool. You get the idea. Does this even go through here? Is there any nails? I definitely missed some nails. Definitely. LGA, no, we don't need LGA. I'm just very dumb at this. What if I try to make myself... But where did these screws come from? I think it's these screws. Oh my god. Yes? Just like that, thank you. Probably because I'm building a new computer.
Bruh.
Oh my goodness.
Oh, that's a lot of damage!
Imagine this whole thing doesn't work after I even build the computer, after I've been through so much trouble. The part where I do not like this part, okay. I have to put this on like this. First, I need to put thermal paste. Don't be too much. I think that's about right. The peel is officially off. Time to put it on. I should need to put this under there. Damn thing it into place. It's just not going in. There we go.
Nice.
Finally. That's in. Hopefully. This wire doesn't look good. I'm actually gonna wrap it around the CPU. Hopefully it doesn't get hot. Burning hot. Do not want that. This is good. Good. That looks great. Okay, I could put this somewhere here. That is not gonna fall anytime soon. Okay, we got a sweet bag. And this panel is off as well. Making progress, boys. Okay, this is actually a really tight case to work with, but... So I actually put this PC like this, so I can put it in more easier. And you're basically gonna see more of this, but I'm gonna explain to you on this camera. This is almost in, just the rad is not bearing with me at the moment. Okay, I like the presentation so far. Here's a power cable. Here's the power supply itself. Fan's gonna be down. And wow, that was surprisingly quick. Power supply is in already. Yep, I felt the click. It is, yep, right there. Is it in? That is in. This is the graphics card I'm using.
Damn, boy, he's thick, boy!
It is the GeForce RTX 3060. You can connect this to 5 different monitors, so yeah. Okay, one. At least this one was easier. Graphics card is installed. This is looking fresh. I threaded the CPU Yeah, CPU cable up from here. That is in, my friends.
That's what she said.
Looking good so far. We're actually gonna put the stickers here. Let's start with the motherboard. Okay, just taking the peel off. I really like this sticker. It can go right over here. That looks great. Time for CPU sticker. Last but not least, RAM. There we go. That's all the stickers for the moment. It might be adding on. Now it's the moment of truth. I double checked everything, if everything works, and now I just have to press the button. Hope for the best. Hope for the best.
Are you sure about that?
Oh, yeah, okay, switch. And hope for the best. Don't see anything wrong going on. Everything looks fine. Fans are spinning. And, yes.
Oh my god! Wow!
That is great. We done it, boys. Boys. We've done it, guys. It works.
Hey, that's pretty good.
Damn, boy, he's thick! Boy, that's a thick-ass boy!